In this video, I'm going to try and show you some profitable niches for upcoming Q4, and you can try and design some so that you can get some possible sales on your account. So there are so many broad niches for Q4, and a few of them always comes to your mind are Halloween, Thanksgiving, and at the end of the year is Christmas. But there are more niches. If you look a little deeper, you'll understand. So I will just stay away from Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas for now, and show you some other niches that you can go for and have some possible sales. The reason behind I'm going to the other niches is because what I understand from after seeing the current situation of Mars and Amazon is the Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas are overly saturated. Yes, there are some sub niches and that might bring some sales with organic ranking and organic traffic, but still it's a little tighter situation or a little 50-50 chance if you go for Halloween because ads are available to almost every account now, like tier 100 to tier 500 and above. So for lower tier like tier 10 and tier 25, it's going to be a little more tough to get those sales from on the broader niche like Halloween, Thanksgiving. I'm not saying that it's impossible, it's obviously possible, but I'll try to show you something that is more easier to go for and have the possible sales for your initial journey. I mean the tier 10 and 25. So let's continue with this video and have a look at the niches that I'm trying to bring in front of you. So today I'm going to show you some sub niches for fall autumn season. So yes, this is one of the broad niches of Q4. So let's go to Amazon first, and then we'll type here fall season shirt. Fall season t-shirt. We'll just start from fall season t-shirt. It is the broad niche, but obviously this is not going to help us. We need to dig more deeper. So let's see what are the sub niches we can find from this broad niche that says fall season t-shirt. So there is one. Pumpkin spice is my favorite season. So yes, during the fall autumn season, you can see pumpkin spice are everywhere. I mean, the pumpkin spice is the most common object or feature item you can say during the fall autumn season. So you can add the keyword pumpkin or pumpkin spice in your broad niche of this that is a fall autumn season. So um, I'll probably dig more with pumpkin spice and fall autumn season. But let's see what are the other results in our first page. So maple leaf autumn tree. I won't go for maple leaf because somehow I got a feeling it's something related to some trademark things. So I will stay away from maple leaf. So there you can see pumpkin spice season. So as you can see, we have some more niches. I teach the cutest pumpkins in the patch. Teacher fall season. Yes, this is something you can actually go for, and you can see the crazy VSR man. This is 42,000. That means this guy is having um, at least 20 sales each day if this BSR is consistent for them. So yes, I will obviously keep this in my short list. So I will pick that in a separate window. So because we are now having a cross niche here, that is fall autumn season into teacher fall season into pumpkin. So yes, we are crossing three ideas here: teacher, fall, and pumpkin. So yes, and let's continue further and see what we have more. So again, the same niche. I teach the cutest pumpkin in the patch, and it is having higher VSR right now because Teachers Day is just knocking at the door. It's in October. I guess it's on 3rd October. Also, the back to school season is just coming, so These all sort of things are getting this teacher niche, yeah, have some low VSR, sorry, and having some good sales. So you can still try for it because it will, I believe it will continue a little more than the teachers day. So you can definitely try some teacher stuffs along with, let's say, fall autumn season, and pumpkin spice, and probably Halloween. You can cross the Halloween with teacher. So lots of ideas there. You just need to brainstorm a little bit. You just need to start the research. Actually, once you start your research with something very specific, you'll see lots of other ideas coming to your mind. So once you start your niche research, you won't be ending with just one idea. I can definitely make you assure, if you do the research in a efficient manner, you will probably ending up with 5 to 6 ideas. So yes, let's see how we can find more sub niches in the fall autumn season. So it says pumpkin spice is my favorite season. We have already seen that in the top of the result, and it's folio all pumpkin leopard print chicken Halloween. So they have cost 3 to 4 things here. It's folio all. That is something I've got from here. So I'll probably keep another tab where I'll type it's folio all. So it's, you can see it's already coming as a suggested keyword. So I'll just click on that. It's folio, and you can see 421 results, not a huge one. So probably we can find something, like sub niche from its folio all. So let's see if we can find something more, um, um, unique here. So it says happy folio, so related to its folio, and um, you can probably notice here that this niche don't have uh, uh, a lot of merch design or merch listings. So I think if this is not a trademark term, then you can probably go for it. So let's just check if it is a trademark. So for checking the trademark, I will just go to TM Hunt, because TM Hunt shows you the phrases that are trademark, and then after having a live trademark, you can just click on the link and have a check it on USPTO. So let's first type it's for your all. Um, Let me make sure one thing: the spelling. Yes, it's correct. So no exact match. Let me see if we have any partial match. No. Let me specify the spelling more. So now let's have another check. So it's folio. I think it's safe. So let me give another check. There is a Google search if there is anything related to movies or song release. So just have a quick check here. Um, I think no, it's fine. So yes, I think we can go for its folio all. So let's just dig more with this sub niche and see if we can find anything. So I'm back to the first page of our broad niche search, that is fall season shirt. Let's see if we can find a third sub niche from this broad page. So I will just continue my scrolling. So pumpkin spice and mama nice. So this is something new we have found. Let me see if we can find more new things here. So don't do this pumpkin spice and chill, whatever it is. It shows something, just a coffee. I mean, coffee cup, coffee mug as a unique graphic. I won't feel confident to just show a coffee graphic or coffee mug graphic, because it recalls the Starbucks things or Starbucks lettermark things. So it's a gray area thing. So I won't just try this kind of idea. So what does this is saying? Pumpkin spice and Jesus Christ. Okay, let's give this a search, because this is more of a sub niche. Pumpkin spice and sorry and Jesus Christ. So yeah, let's give this a search. and results are very low, 129. Yes, I think this is something you can look forward. So at the after looking the BSR, they are good. They are not bad. The fall autumn season is still about to come, so I'm sure these BSR will go down like around 100K or 200K. So obviously, before this niche take a peek, you can just give this a try and put your design and listing here, because the results are very narrow in this sub niche. So yes, this is all about actually pumpkin spice. I mean, fall season niche for the Q4. The fall season is a duration of 3 months, I guess. Just to give you an estimation of how long this shirt's gonna sail. So, fall season in USA. So fall season basically starts from September 23. So it just started and continues to through December 21. That means it is gonna last for 3 months. So all over the Q4. So you have about 3 months to take a chance and have your shirt for the fall autumn season sold. So obviously this is a good thing to enter because the Halloween is just for 1 month. This is for October, and obviously it's also as already saturated, huge. So the fall autumn season is something will continue through 3 months, and you have already seen the sub niches don't have a huge search results. So just before everyone is entering those niches and putting their design, you just make sure you go on and have some stuffs for yourself in those sub niches. So I've already shown 3 sub niches. Rest up to you guys to find more and go for your unique design and your unique sub niches. So yes, let me know how I did for you guys in this video about the Q4 niche research, and let me know if you want to see some more from me like this unique niche research video. And obviously, if you still want me to do a Halloween niche research video, I'll obviously do, but you need to convince me for that. Just let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a Halloween niche research video. So till then, just do your work, do your homework, and be creative. Happy March. Bye bye.